Welcome to this unboxing of the RIDGID Powerclear Drain Cleaner. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Alright, so let's open the box. This is the machine itself. And here's the plug. Here's the manual and paperwork. Okay, so there you go. This was an unboxing of the RIDGID Powerclear Drain Cleaner. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like this video, and thank you for tuning in.